Good morning. We're out here at the Lily and Lizard Lake lower. Roughly about 7 miles. And we're gonna be going to North Butte today. We're starting here. Going to Lizard Lake. Then going to North Butte, past Lily, and we're doing the connection of Max's shortcut. Today's episode is gonna be great. It's gonna be fast, it's gonna be quick, and looks like it's gonna be a little wet. All right, let's get going. So not even 5 minutes on the trail that I realized I forgot something. Fill up my water bladder, but there's a little bit of water in there from last trip. It's not the freshest, but it's a little bit. We'll have to make it last. Double check your stuff. Happens to everybody. I don't know if you could see that, but it looks like a hoof print to me. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's important to keep that cardio up. When summer comes around, you're gonna be happy you did. Be able to climb up those mountains like a goat. Bah. Uh-oh. See that? So it looks like I parked at the wrong parking lot. But that's okay because the upper parking lot gate's closed. So I'm doing a little brisk logging road walk. So I was on a connection trail, the lower parking lot. All right, it's not so bad. Right, we made it. I hope so. It's getting dark in here. Let's turn off all our cameras. It's getting so dark. I gotta turn my camera off. What's up, bird? What's the bird? You really gotta applaud the ones that come out here and do that. Or that'd be one big obstacle to get up and over. Let's go hiking in the morning and climb really big logs. Okay. Yeah, this is great. Now, if you're coming on to Chuckanut and you're aiming to do the Oyster Dome, now this is my first time doing this trail, but you can get that bridge walk, 2 lakes, and the Oyster Dome and North Butte. You can get a lot more out of it. But I do recommend starting at the Sandwich Overlook at least once. It's really steep. It's 2 lookouts. I have that video in the snow. If you're curious to know, go down in the videos, click on it, Oyster Dome. It's pretty rad. Looks like we've come to the trail junction. Max's shortcuts to our left. The little Max connector trail. Well, we're gonna take Lily Lake to the right. About 1.5 miles in on the actual trail. I'm sweating. That looked like a pretty cool little pond. Have your horsey drink out of. Oh boy, am I sweating. I don't know about you, but I run really hot. So I should be in shorts. Oh yeah. You could expect to find a lot of these in the Pacific Northwest. I count 5 fire pits. Got 5 fire pits. Nice deep hole rings. Wow, what a bummer, you can't see the whole lake. So what I'm in right now is the horse camp. I mean, just look at this place. This is great. We'll come back this summer with a bobber and some worms. I hear the creek flowing over here. I'd be able to see a fish or two. All right, here we go, North Butte, that way. It's also the LILLY Lizard Connector Trail, and that's the British Army Trail. Haven't seen any Brits here yet. So we just hit the North Butte Trail. Yeah. Let's go. Holy smoke. So, we just made it to North Butte. It's definitely going to be a lot more private than the Oyster Dome. I haven't seen a single person. There's 2 lakes you could fish. Lizard and LILLY both hold trout. Oh yeah, this is great. I'm gonna go ahead and have lunch, drop down to LILLY Lake, and then we're gonna go hit the Max Trail. All right, let's see when we get back down to the lake. Welcome back. Whew, looks like I'm here at LILLY Lake at the campground. This is one of many spots along the trail. This is LILLY Lake. There's trout in here, I've seen them. It's an interesting lake. Probably use a bobber to get out where it's deeper. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh. All right. So I'm gonna keep going beyond this trail and link up with Max's shortcut. And I'm gonna try to jog, run most of the way, buy some time. Not much access from this lake. Better shot of this lake. Wow. What do we got here? Lily Lake Camp, horse facilities, hiker camp, horse camping. State of Washington Department of Natural Resources. All right. Thanks for another great episode at Unjarred Outdoors. Have plenty more in the works. Hope to see you on the trail.